Okay,
Oh wow. Oh
live, and we need to share the new link.
yes. Well, okay. Um. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, I think now everyone can see us, and let's share a new link.
Right.
Yeah,
It was so like first time seeing this problem. Actually, like.
yeah, it happens. It's okay. All right, let's send this new link to the previous stream's comments so that everyone who is waiting there can see it.
Mhm, mhm. Yeah, I
Okay,
shared.
yeah, there are 14 people
Yeah.
waiting for. Yeah, so I hope that everyone can find this new link, and join us in this room. All right, yeah, let's wait a bit because
Yeah.
there is
Let's wait.
only us.
Yeah. For now, it's us.
Yeah,
Like, is my voice is good? Like,
yeah. What about
all
mine?
good? Yeah, all good.
Great. So far, okay. I will download this one.
Like, last time we did a StreamYard as well, with Barish. So, but we didn't face some problems like with Discord, some kind of stuff. I don't know what the
Yeah,
problem
it
is like this
happens.
time. But
Usually, Oscar refers to this as boomer trying to to manage technologies.
oh
So
yeah,
it's fine.
yeah, all
This is
good.
how he refers usually.
I think yeah, people are joining. Yeah, they
Yeah.
can
So yeah,
join.
16 people. So I think that's it. That's probably
Yep.
everyone that we had in that one.
Mhm.
Yeah, if you don't mind, I will delete
Right,
that one later. So yeah, let's start.
right.
Thanks
Yep.
everyone for joining us. Thanks Ahmad and Askar for having me here on this channel.
Yeah.
Basically,
Thank
right
you
now
too.
I'm the admin, so I'm having myself actually. But yeah, anyways, thanks for inviting me. So I don't have
Yeah.
this
Thank you.
fancy Google background. So yeah, I
Oh
have
yeah.
this just
It's
regular black background. But yeah, this is actually my current setup for creating courses on our own platform. So a minute
yep.
for our advertisement. So yeah, if you want to watch high quality programming courses, go to
Go to the YouTube channel.
42.plus.
Yeah.
So yeah, and my YouTube channel as well. So yeah,
Yes. Yes.
let me introduce myself first. So yeah, my name is Yusuf. I am Android engineer, and recently I am also Android GD, Google Developer Expert. And here in the comment section, we can see that we also have Sardar Islamov, who is the Flutter GD as well.
Oh
Um,
yeah.
so yeah, we are the only GDs in Uzbekistan. So yeah, thanks for having us and having Sardar, let's say in a text mode. You can actually type something in the comments, Sardar. We will see. Yeah. So I've been doing YouTube for almost a year now. It is not that active right now, but I've started doing YouTube like last year in the spring. And during this session, I would like to share some stuff I learned from this experience. But first of all, maybe Ahmed, you can tell us about the main goal of this stream, and then we
Yeah,
can
that
go
would be
to
great. Yeah, that would be
advertisement.
great. Yeah. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Ahmad Kurshatov, and I'm a GDSC leader at Uzbekistan University. So GDSC Google Developer Student Club is a university-based so community group for students who are interested in technology, mainly from like Google, and we connect students to Google developer experts and like all experts who are interested in technology and who are experienced in that field. So today's topic, as we see in the title, so this is a Google Solution Challenge of this is live stream for Google Solution Challenge and some YouTube tips as we have a YouTube vlogger as well. So I saw your YouTube channel, Yusuf Ake, and we can talk more about YouTube as well later. So yeah, first of all, like some questions about solution challenge. And like we are talking more about solution challenge, and you see like everyone I think so that this week we are organizing a hackathon for students. Uh, but what is a solution challenge? Like how students can benefit from it? Like, can you talk more about this?
Yeah, so Solution Challenge is one of the programs that Google has, like more precisely, the Google for Developer programs has, right? So we know that there are programs like Google Developer Groups and Google Developer Experts, Google Developer Students Clubs, right? And the Solution Challenge is the program created specifically for Google Developer Student Clubs, so that students who are taking part in these clubs participate in this challenge, in this, let's say, in this challenge, solution challenge that is organized by
Yeah.
Google, so that they can submit their, let's say, software related projects, right, to this challenge, and this way they can participate in the program, and if they win, they will receive the rewards and the certificates and etc. And this is one of the ways to, let's say, see how does it work in the real world after you graduate from your university. And if you want to do startup, or if you want to build software, or something like this, the process is going to be very similar to what you will go through during this solution challenge, right? You will have to build your product, build the MVP, and then you will have to pitch it, and then you will have to, let's say, compete with the competitors, right? And this is the way it works in the real world, and solution challenge is aimed to give the slight glimpse of this experience, right? And
Yeah.
solution challenge also consists of different directions, which you can maybe tell about, because I'm not part of this, let's say, process
Yeah.
directly, because I'm not student, right? And you can tell more about this challenge from inside. How does it feel like? How does it look like?
Oh yeah, like you're right. Like I agree with your opinions. Like and so the mission, the main mission is to help the Sustainable Development Goals to reach, like from United Nations. So we have 17 Sustainable Development Goals that to be reached, like from United Nations. And for example, no poverty, quality education, and climate change, and etc. Global problems. So students give their solutions to global problems, and it's a global competition. So, uh, for example, every student from another, like from other countries, can participate, and there is a rewarding ceremony for them, for top 100, for top 10. And if you are reached in top 10, then you have a chance to present your solution, to present your project for Google Developer Experts. And if you are in top 3, then you are a winner. There are some cash prizes and etc. Like, but the main prize is to be like accepted by your solution for SDG 17 goals. Yeah, I think so. I hope students will participate in our hackathon, and this week. Yeah, so let's focus on more YouTube tips for more vlogging. All right.
Yeah, so basically, vlogging and creating YouTube videos nowadays are one of the probably fanciest ways of sharing your knowledge and your experience, right? Like, people used to write books before, or we still do write books, and we still can have the, let's say, offline ways of sharing our knowledge, right? We can gather meetups, we can organize meetups and other kinds of events, and share our knowledge, let's say, in an offline mode. We can write books, we can write articles, we can write the whatever else we want. And still, these kinds of media, these ways of sharing your information is a bit, let's say, uh, it is demanding in terms of the effort that your consumers like they have to put some effort to consume this information, right? They have to read book for several hours to get the idea, right? They have to go to the offline event and participate. And YouTube is kind of more pleasurable way, because we all watch content. Sometimes you can just turn off your brain and watch content. But anyways, creating YouTube videos is kind of effective way of sharing your knowledge, sharing your experience, making sure that your information reaches people. And everyone wants to watch YouTube videos that are, let's say, high quality, that have a good content, that have, let's say, valuable information, right? And as a creator, as a person who wants to create such content, it can be, let's say, very challenging to, first of all, start creating YouTube videos, and second of all, make it high quality, and third of all, to keep doing it. And this is something that I'm going through myself. To start with, if you want to start making YouTube videos, the only advice I can give, right? The only advice, and I think the only working way to create high quality content, is to start creating low quality content. So if you want to start making YouTube videos, but if you are stuck in this, let's say, a step when you can't force yourself, or you are not, let's say, satisfied with the way it is going, with the content that you're creating, the only advice I can give you, just do it, right? This is the easiest thing that you can do. Just don't care about the quality, don't care about the final product, just do it and publish it. And you can start this way and improve your video quality, your content quality iteratively.
Exactly, yes. For example, like I read the last post like from Azimcan Polatov. He talked about this as well, because if you wait for the quality, then every day you say tomorrow, because like today is not so might not be so quality the content, but the thing matters, like you should start. Yeah.
Yeah.
So mhm. Yeah, you can start. Sure.
Yeah. So yeah, the first thing that is um, that is important is to start making videos, to start
Mhm.
just to start do it, right? Also, after you make your first couple of videos, you will get
Mhm.
feedback. You will get, let's say, positive feedback or negative feedback. And one of the first feedbacks I got after publishing my first video on my YouTube channel on Android Yusuf was that it was good. Everything was good. The content, like people usually, most of people who watched it, they didn't understand the content because it was like very specific, very professional, uh, profession related content. But the first feedback I got from my friend who is kind of professionally making videos, who is the, let's say, video maker, is that the audio was bad. So the video that we shoot was shot on like this expensive camera. The lights were great, the setup was awesome, but the first feedback I got was that audio sucked. Audio was poor because we didn't use the external microphone for that. We just used the uh, camera's microphone. And for me, when I was just testing it, it sounded fine because I was just like watching it on the camera itself, right? The audio was not loud, and I'm like, it sounds fine to me. And I didn't care about the noise, about the quality of the audio. And this is one of the things that you should care about the videos that you're making. Make sure that their audio quality is good. Make sure that you don't have the noises in the background. Make sure that you record the audio separately on the professional microphone. Nowadays, you can rent such microphones for, I don't know, as less as $10 a day, right?
Yes.
Uh, Basically, there are three components of every YouTube video. First of all, it is the video itself, right? Something that people see. Second is the audio. Again, something that people will hear while watching your video. And the third is the script. Probably script is the most important thing, because again, people are coming for your content. But if your script is good, but your audio quality is poor, then there is a high chance that people will be hating your video, because well, they will not be hating your video, but they will have to struggle to keep watching it. Because again,
Yeah.
if they're watching it on their headphones, it will be painful if they are trying to hear
Very.
what you're saying, and there is a noise in the background. There is, the something like giving constant noise. I don't know, the air conditioner or something like this. It will feel bad. Uh, you may not feel it yourself while you're editing, for example, or you're making the video, because you don't use headphones. So the tip for this life hack is to edit your videos using the headphones. This way you can hear the, let's say, real audio quality in your headphones. And people can actually people can actually let it go if your video has like bad image quality, but they will not forgive you if it has bad audio quality. So this is the one of the most important things. Even if you can't invest into the, let's say, expensive camera or something like this, or the expensive setup, just at least try to invest into the audio quality. Even if you can't invest into renting or buying professional microphone, you can always use some AI tools. Nowadays, there are lots of AI tools, like all over the internet, that can actually improve your audio quality and make like it decent, right? So this is
Yeah.
one of the things that I insist that everyone who is making videos should care about.
Yeah. So nowadays, what are you doing with the YouTube? So what kind of projects, or some maybe you are focusing on your personal blog, or you have some other projects that's going on? Can you share with them?
Yeah, currently, actually, my main focus is on our educational project on 4242.us. And
Yeah.
it is also kind of related to what I was doing on YouTube, because it's also video content based courses. And
Hmm.
actually, my, let's say, short YouTube career, my experience with YouTube helped me a lot, because I learned to make high quality videos. And it is actually a good thing when you're making like video
Hmm.
course, let's say. But for my YouTube, I'm actually right now in the stage of planning, because, as you know, we had this developer content creators summit,
Oh yeah.
that happened a couple of weeks ago in Singapore, and there were lots of content creators, like engineers, developers, content creators from all around the world. They were pretty famous ones, and I've got lots of, let's say, insights from this event, when people who have much more experience in this content creation sphere, like where they were giving talks, they were making presentations, or we were just communicating during the event. And it gave me lots of food for thought, what I want to do on my channel next. Because before that, I was just doing what I was feeling good with, right? Some topics that I was interested in myself. And right now I can see that these topics might be a bit too narrow for a majority of the audience. Because again, if you want to create the content for as much people as possible, you have to make sure that it is beginner friendly. And I'm not sure my first several videos are beginner friendly, because they are kind of targeting like myself, let's say, right? The experience that that
Yeah.
I went myself through, like lately. And it probably was interesting for people who are at the same career like state as me, but I think it is not that much of people, and it is also in Uzbek language, so it also makes the target audience a bit like less, right? I don't know. Right now, I'm thinking about launching a new channel in English, because I think that content that I am personally interested in myself could have bigger audience in English. But at the same time, for my Uzbek language channel, I'm thinking about launching some series of videos that would be beginner friendly, that would be answering the questions that beginner programmers may have about
Yep.
their career, about the
Lifestyle.
technologies, etc. So yeah, this is something that I'm thinking about launching in the future, in the nearest future, I hope.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I think this is a great news that I heard from you today. That would be great if you opened your YouTube channel and like share your knowledge and the way how you became a Google developer expert. That's so interesting for us, for a lot of people in here. Like, and I wanted to ask some questions regarding like Singapore content creation. Like, so how was the trip like? I think you were some seven people from Uzbekistan, right? Had a trip to Singapore.
Yeah. In general, I think there were around 20 people from Central Asia, from Uzbekistan,
Mhm.
Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan as well. And yeah, we had me, Nuruddin, Humayun, and Ulubek, and Donyor, like 5 or 6 people from Uzbekistan. But more Uzbek speaking people actually from there were content creators from Tajikistan who are also Uzbek speaking.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, there were around five or six of us there.
Mhm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep. And there were some leads from GDSC, like, right? Uh,
Yeah. There were lots of GDSC leads from Arabic countries, from Egypt,
uh-huh.
from Bahrain, and from Saudi, I guess. Unfortunately, we actually had GDSC lead from
Yeah, we
Uzbekistan as
had
well. We
one
had
leader. Yeah,
Nurtaz, right? Yeah, we had
exactly. Yes.
Nurtaz. From Central Asia mainly. There was also GDSC lead from Astana as well, Madhyar from Astana, from Nazarbayev University. Yeah,
And from
but mainly it was
Kyrgyzstan as
GD
well.
lead.
Yeah, like it's so great to see that like for now leads are going as well for international summits, and yeah, looking forward to it. So if you want to like to our subscribers, so apply for GTSC leader to be a leader. So you can be like you can have like international atmosphere with your international community. Uh-huh. So, and there is a question in the comment section. Any updates about YouTube monetization in Uzbekistan by eCourse?
Yeah, YouTube
Interesting.
monetization is an interesting topic because
Exactly.
um, it is again it depends on what kind of content you want to create. But if you are going to create content on technologies, on programming, it is very hard to make decent amount of money from YouTube, just from YouTube like partnership itself, because you all know Azimjan, right? Azimjan Polatov,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
has like much more subscribers, much more views on his videos, and even he has like with I don't know hundreds of thousands of views, he made around $40, like through
Oh,
all these
wow.
years, like in three or
Uh-huh.
4 years. It is very hard to make money out of YouTube partnership. If you want to, let's say, cover your expenses, for that goal, you will have to have at least hundreds of thousands subscribers and be in, let's say, regions not in Central Asia, because
Uh-huh.
again in Central Asia, like we are as YouTube users, we don't see any ads, right? So ads
Yeah,
are the way YouTube make videos, YouTube make money, right?
yeah.
And they share this revenue with the content creators. And in Uzbekistan, I don't know. I think right now they still don't support officially the partnership in Uzbekistan. But even if they did, people don't see ads in Uzbekistan, and
Mhm.
you will make $0 out of this. Especially if your main audience is located in Uzbekistan. Well, if you're
Uh,
making content in Uzbek language, majority of them will be in Uzbekistan. But there is but there are lots of different ways to make money out of your YouTube content, even without the YouTube partnership. You can always make the
uh-huh.
uh, kind of integrated advertisements. If you have enough, like decent amount of users, the decent amount of viewers and subscribers, you can partner with local businesses and advertise them and make money out of this. And also, once you gain an audience that is, let's say, loyal to you, right? You can always launch your own courses, paid content. You can launch your page on Patreon or Boosty and make money out of the donations from your subscribers and viewers. So yeah, there are different ways to make money out of YouTube, but for this you will have to do it constantly. You will have to be patient, and you will have to make sure that you, let's say, make videos at least once a week.
Oh yeah, regularly. Yeah.
Yeah, I can actually share the channel that is like right now it is number 2 channel on Flutter programming, the Flutter way. Yeah, so this is channel by a guy from the Bangladesh, from Dhaka, and right now he has around 200,000 subscribers, and he was speaker at the summit in Singapore, and he actually gave great insights. So first of all, you don't have to talk in your videos. So his videos are actually speechless. Let's say he doesn't speak in English during his videos. It's just music playing in the background, and he just shows how to build something in Flutter, some UI Flutter. And one of the points that he mentioned is that you have to be persistent, and you have to like, let's say, release a new video every week, and it is good if you can do it on the same day, on the same time every week. So in his case, he releases his videos on Thursday or Friday 7:15 p.m. So his viewers always know that on 7:15 p.m. on Friday they will get a new video. So this will make it kind of addictive. People get addicted to it, and they will watch your videos like on regular basis.
Yeah.
So yeah, and
I
also
thought.
again,
Okay.
yeah, it is his
Like.
like point that once you have your loyal audience, you can always monetize it. There are different ways to do it. So like, let's say, till you have, let's say, tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of viewers and subscribers, don't think about money, don't think about monetization.
Yeah. There's a question like about solution challenge. I think, yeah. Can we present our pet projects, pet project? Okay, at this hackathon, and what are the requirements for this? So I don't know that pet projects like, but for the requirements, you have to like solve some problems from SDG 17 goals, as I said earlier. and like for the requirement there is a video submission as well, video submission as well. For example, like you just create your prototype and your presentations, and you should make a video. You should like prepare a video for this, and submit your not only a presentation but also like your videos, like more quality, to your YouTube channel. And then yeah, I think if you will be in the hackathon, you will get more information about the solution challenge as well. Yeah, there is some nice comments as well in here. Uh, so I think, all right, you have some additional like information about them, YouTube as well.
Um, yeah, yeah. People are asking to tell more about Solution Challenge. So you can tell more about Solution Challenge.
Yep, solution challenge hackathon. Okay. So this week in Uzbekistan at Inha University in Tashkent, we are organizing like all leads in Uzbekistan. For example, we have 9+ leads, GDSC clubs right now in Uzbekistan, and all of us are trying to organize for the students to take part in it, to take part in solution challenge. And this will be like this will begin on Saturday and Sunday, 2 days hackathon. So you'll just start. If you have an idea, you'll just start building it, and in the second day, you'll present and you'll pitch your project, and together we can submit to official global solution challenge competition. So do not hesitate if you don't have a team. If you have an idea, so you just go to the university, and we'll help to find out your team members. So for example, if you wanna some if you want to have some mobile developers, yes, you can have it. And also, we are inviting some experts. For example, we are inviting last year's Solution Challenge winners from Kazakhstan, from Tajikistan, and they have a huge experience in this. So they will share their experience, and we are inviting some experts from no code. So if you have an idea, like, but do not don't know how to code, uh, there are tons of websites that can help to build for your project, right? Yeah. Is there any help? Yes, there will be some help. I will contact you, Sardar Ake, after this meeting, after this live stream. We need actually like GDE, Google Develop experts, to be mentors in our hackathon. Can we continue building at home? This is a good question, but I think that would be great to stay at the campus, like from the morning till the evening, and it's just 2 days, and it's weekend. I think the all of the participants should be at the campus. They can go home after the evening, like when the hackathon will end for a day. Uh, so, all right. Yes, we need some experts, and I will contact you. So, regarding solution challenge, this is the great way to show up your project, to show up yourself, because if you'll be selected like to top 10 to top 100, you will have a lot of chances to present your project to the world. Like it's a great chance to participate, and we are looking forward a lot of participants. Yeah, for this weekend. I think we should do more of these kind of live streams. A lot, like in different topics, yeah. For example, you can talk more about your experience, like for when you became a Google developers expert, like another kind of live stream.
Yeah, we can always invite Sardor Islomov to tell us
Yes.
about his experience as well, because he's very eager to share. So yeah,
Yep.
uh, I think we can wrap up. That's it.
Uh-huh.
We covered the main points. So if you have more questions, you can always ask them in the comment section and in
Yep.
the channels where this link, where this second link was shared. And we are monitoring every place that it was shared. So we'll answer your answer your questions on any channel that you will ask them. In right, thank you, Ahmed. So
Yep.
you are the lead.
Thank you
Actually,
too.
it's your duty to wrap it up.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you so much, Yusufake, for solving the problem. And you know, there were some technical issues that we faced in the beginning, but yeah, thank you so much for being with us till the end. To our subscribers and to you, Yusufake, and see you in other live streams. And have a good evening. Yep. See you
Yep.
at the hackathon.
See you all. Bye.
Right. Thank you.